Hey, how's it going, YouTube? It's Mike once again. Just want to say real quick, if you guys can give a prayer, say a prayer for my dog Biggie. He is ill right now. He's been sick for 3 days, vomiting a little bit, and the runs and all that. So please say a prayer for him. Hope he gets better. He still seems in good spirits, very friendly. He walks around and everything. So I don't know what's going on. I don't know what he got into or if he got into anything. But please, say a prayer for him. You guys know I love dogs, and my dog doesn't look like this one here, but some of you guys have seen him. He's a beautiful pit. Love him. Uh, I hope he gets better. All right, because I cannot afford a vet bills. I can't. I couldn't even pay a vet bill if I wanted right now. But we'll see what's going on. There's some things I can do that I've been doing. Uh, Rice with gravy and stuff like that. That should help a little bit. So I don't know. We'll see. But please say a prayer for him. Anyways, let's talk about some Hot Wheels now. I did another wheel swap. You guys want to see? It is the Nissan Skyline. It's pretty cool. The wheels from the Historics. Pretty nice. And some detail as usual. Right on the money. And back there. At the top there. So lots of details. And of course, I buttoned it down professionally. Button head screws. And some other news I want to tell you guys. I have to thank my father-in-law for this. He knows how I've been doing my customs now with the drilling and tapping of the customs now. So he asked me what I use for taps. I told him the size and everything. This is a cutting tap, as you can see. So he goes, "Oh, Mike, I can order you some, with no charge. He gets them from his work, I guess." So I was like, "Oh, really?" He goes, "Oh, yeah. Do you want the tap ones or the self? Uh, well, I mean, he's asked me if I want the cutting one, which I already have, or the ones that self mold, like self. I don't know. I forget what they're called, but these are it here, and they're so strong. The metal, these right here. They're not cutting ones. If you look, it's the same all the way around, and they don't make a mess. They don't cut the metal. It's weird when you're going like this with it, and it goes pretty nice and easy. You don't have to keep stopping, backing off where you do with the cutting ones, because you got to get all that metal off, and clean it out. These you don't. You just put it in the hole and just spin it. As soon as it hits the bottom, you just stop and back it out. That's it. And these things are very, very strong. He got me 3 of them. He's going to order me more eventually. So he told me, "Mike, you'll never have to order, what do you call it, taps again." So I was like, "Man, that's great. That sounds great. Thank you very much." So I'll save a lot of money there. But I still have my cutting ones, you know. I'll save those and stuff, you know. They don't go bad, so, you know. So that's some good news there. I meant to tell you this, you know, a week or two ago when he first gave me my first 3 of them. And they work great, guys. I don't know what they call, but they're not cutting ones. There's something else. Someone out there will know the name of them. I don't really know, but they work tremendously. And I mean, even the screws fit in better. I mean, they still do anyways, but they're really, really snug, and it's really nice. That's all I have to say about that. But I just want to give you that update, some news, and some news on my best friend, Biggie, my dog. So, you know, we'll see what happens, you know. Love the dog. Hope he's going to be all right. That's all I can say. But anyways, that was my wheel swap. That Nissan Skyline. Very, very cool. I figure I might as well swap some wheels because the weather isn't right to do custom. So it's still kind of a custom. It's just a wheel swap type of custom, I guess. I don't know. But anyways, here it is. How nice and clean that looks. Beautiful. Very nicely done. As you guys know, this is my other one. The GTO that everybody's haunting me for. It is not for sale, not for trade. It is beautiful though. Beauty, beauty, beauty. Look at the details. Look at that. Phenomenal. Phenomenal. At the bottom, all buttoned down. There you have it, guys. As always, guys, thanks again for watching, and thank you guys for your support and your likes and nice comments and stuff like that. But anyways, I gotta get going. I gotta go to my work, get my check, make some change for tonight's Hot Wheels swap meet. So I can have some 1s, 5s, and 10s for some change. I think I'm the only one that brings change there. But it makes it a lot easier. If someone has a big bill, you could change it, you know what I mean? But anyways, that's enough of that. As always, guys, take care, and God bless.